Salvi Lazaro, and the people of the Republic of the Philippines, I warmly congratulate the government and the people of Malaysia on the joyous occasion of your 68th National Day. The Philippines and Malaysia share fruitful and productive ties underscored by our close collaboration in education, health, tourism, defense, and connectivity, among others. Building on the leader-level visits in 2022 and 2023, and with pursuing greater cooperation in mind, we reconvened our joint consultation meeting last year for the first time since 2011, where we reaffirmed our strengthen our collaboration and to explore new areas to expand our productive and mutually beneficial cooperation. The dynamism of our cordial relations is also reflected in the recent visits by Malaysian officials to the Philippines to promote understanding and exchange of best practices between our local governments and our parliamentarians. These regular engagements reinforce our governance efforts, initiatives, and ideas to further achieve prosperity for our peoples and our communities. The Philippines, a fellow founding member of ASEAN, reaffirms its continuing support for the ASEAN chairship of Malaysia and looks forward to working with ASEAN member states in chairing a resilient, innovative, dynamic, and people-centered region in line with the vision of ASEAN Vision 2045. As your chairship is already eventful, Ambassador, and productive, the next few months are poised to be given significant milestone for ASEAN. We remain confident in Malaysia's ASEAN leadership in bringing this breakthrough into fruition. We look forward to building upon the accomplishment of your esteemed chairship as we prepare to take our turn of chairing